Alright, man. Whew. What am I gonna do with all that money? Just checked into this traditional riad. Riads are built inward, with all the rooms facing a central courtyard. It's about privacy, peace, and escape from the chaos of the Medina. Let's throw ourselves into the heart of the city.
Hello guys, very welcome to Marrakech.
Thank you. Good morning. Day number 2. Not sure if this is really a secret. €10 entry. And Moroccans pay half. I don't know if I need to see this. Here you go. Not paying €10 for a tiny garden. I am at the Riad Yima Tea Room, which is designed by a guy called Hassan Hajjaj. He's known as kind of like the Moroccan Andy Warhol. And this is his art gallery tea house. This stuff is just the best. This seems to be the first really well-equipped music store. Well, octave. Tar. Bendir and
Tarbuka.
And you also have a photo with Robert Plant.
I smoked once before, now I stop.
Tagine?
The best tagine.
Oh yeah? That's a good amount. Including the bread for €2. Oh yeah, that's tagine. €5 together. That was yummy and healthy and reasonable. And on top of that, I get a free Moroccan whiskey on the house. Isn't this a typical Hollywood $1 million in $100 bills kind of bag? What would you do if you ended up with $1 million in cash in Morocco? How would you leave the country? You can't just walk through airport security. Check-in bag won't work either. I wouldn't entrust anybody with that. A boat? Maybe. I'd probably hitchhike with some surfer van. Oh, it's very warm. I need a break. So many different races here in Morocco, and supposedly they're all Moroccan. They look very different, you know, if you compare the northern people with the Berbers and the southern people. There's a big range of skin color. People from the south are a lot darker than people from the north. All right, man. Whew. What am I gonna do with all that money?
That's what I'm talking about, brother.
The Mint Alley, man, this is amazing. You should experience the smell of this. Wow, powerful. And these guys just give you free samples of this amazing juice. And one mixed juice is 20 dirham, man. It's like €2. Thanks, brother.
Thank you so much. Next time.
Good job, man.
Number 26.
Okay, thank you, man. So in this plaza, all the vendors always ask you where you're from so they can impress you with a few phrases of the language that they know. I said Germany and he's like, sauerkraut. I have sauerkraut. What the fuck? Headed for a place called Café Pergola, supposedly jazz bar with a rooftop terrace. They also have the booze, but I quit drinking 2 years ago. I think that's one of the reasons why this place is supposed to be special. Sweet place, man. It's pretty hot there. It's gonna be like 47 degrees in the next 3 days. Gotta be careful not to walk into a cobra or something. It smells great here, man, all the smoke stuff. These snakes are everywhere. In the less touristic areas, you immediately get glimpses of harsher realities. It's always a spotlight of tourism that blinds you to the shadows of reality in these places. Venomous snakes there that are probably dosed. Since you can't tame those, the teeth are probably removed. Today, Sunday, on the last and third day of my stay here in Marrakech, I took it easy. A little stroll through the Medina. Everything seems to be a little less busy on a Sunday. I'm gonna try to find something to eat and just chill a little bit. It's time to fly back home now. It's been a good time. I enjoyed Marrakesh. And until the next time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Cheers, guys. I'm getting escorted to the airplane.